Hello, my name is Steve Mace from Solwise, and I'm just going to go a very short video showing you the PSE30G PoE injector from IP.com. It'll be a quick video. There's not much you can say about it really. I mean, it's a PoE injector, that's about it really. But let's have a look what you get in the box. You got a quick little setup guide, well, instruction manual, whatever, like you need it for a PoE injector. And you get the PoE injector itself, which I shall take out of its wrapper so we can have a conversation without too much rattling of cellophane. So this is the actual injector. It's 802.3 AT spec PoE injector, so it's a gig PoE injector with 51 volts and 30 watts maximum output. And at one end you've got an IEC mains lead, and in the box you've got an IEC mains lead supplied with it. And at the other end you've got a couple of indicator LEDs, for one for power and one for output DC. And you've got a LAN port for data in, and you've got a LAN port for data plus power out. These are really good. These are really good. These are very, very competitively priced. I was going to say cheap, but I'll get told off if I use the word cheap, but they are cheap. Cheap as chips, these, and we sell loads of them. We probably sell about 100 to 200 of these a month. Really nice little PoE injectors. Very good. And as I say, typical IP.com product actually. Good value for what you get. Thank you very much.